Hi guys, welcome back again to another session with Malit Official. Today I'll show you how to create a timer in Microsoft PowerPoint. For start, open Microsoft PowerPoint and select a blank template. After selecting a blank template, select the layout as full blank, that means without any component on it, and add another blank slide as well. After adding these two slides, select the design tab and choose a darker variant. So for this demonstration I'll choose black. After choosing insert an oval shape, just click on it and give your size for the height and the width. For this I'll be choosing 7. So after that, center it to the middle of the slide. So after centering your oval shape, right click on that and create a copy, and you can just paste it or press Ctrl V, recenter it again and resize it for a smaller size than the previous oval shape, and recenter it as well. After recentering the circle, remember you have to change the color of the top circle to match your background. So my background is black, so I'll click format and select black, and for my color variant I'll select the below one as green. Select the two circles, go to the animation tab. In the animation pane, click the drop down menu and select more entrance effects and select wheel. So it goes as a radar method, so click OK in that and click on the animation pane, select both the animation we have added, right click and click the option, effect option, and select the timer. So we have to create it like start with the previous, that means with the transition of the slide. So after that, select the repeat method as 5, because we are creating a 5-second timer for this. So as you can see, it continues from 1, 2, 3 to 5. So after that, as you can see, I have created a 2-second window. So I have to make the duration for 1 second. So select both the tabs and select 1 second. So now when you play it, you can see the timer works in 5-second mode. So the animation of the background circle is done. Now what we have to do is add the numbers. So we'll click insert, add a text box, and we'll put number 5. Timer starts from the largest to the smallest. So it's a 5-second window, so we'll add 5 and make the font size to 250. So we have to bring it to the center of the circle. After that, we have to only add for the first number a exit effect only. So click animation and select add animation and select disappear. We have to disappear the number at a certain time. So after that, select start with the previous, and we have to delay it 1 second, and for the duration it's a 0.1 second. So now when you play it, you can see it disappears on the 4th interval. So what we have to do is we have added the number 5. So after that, select number 5 and press Ctrl C or right click and copy. So because we no need to do the reformatting for the next number again and again. So copy number 5, take it to a side, and we can hit the next number, that is 4. For this number we have to add an entrance animation for this. So after clicking number 4, select the animation pane and hit appear effect for the number 4 and make the effect come first, the disappear, and make a delay in 1 second and disappear in the second. So likewise, you have to add every other thing as follows. That means for the third one, it must start on the second window and finish from the third window. Likewise from 3, 2, 1 and till 0. At the end of this animation, you have to make sure that it appears as I have shown in this video, so that all the videos appear at the same point, and you can see in this animation. So at the last number, which is 0, what we will do is we will make a difference so that the timer is stopped. So the last number, which is 0, we will select the copy and we will select 0. on that, but at this time there is no disappearance, so we'll delete the disappear effect. After that we will change the font color of 0 to red, so it will look nice. After that recenter it. In the animation we have to make the 0 appear in the 5th repeat. So what we have to do is select the entrance and click on the animation pane and the delay to the 5th second. So as you can see, the entrance animations are there for on click. So what we have to do is we have to change them to start with the previous. So select all the entrance, start with the previous. So after selecting all the animation, start with the click on the first one and you see play. From that you can see it appears as a timer we have created in animation. So let's spice the things up. So we'll go to the first slide and we will put a text box mentioning 5 seconds timer. After adding the button, we'll go to insert action and we'll make a hyperlink to the next slide. So if you are adding for another slide, please select the slide number. So let's spice things up. We'll go to the timer page, timer slide I mean. After that we will add in left side main page and this right side arrow to exit the show. So I'll type main page and change the design. It differs from your favorite. So we will add the arrow on the right side as in to exit. After adding the button, change the name or type a text exit so everybody who is using can understand what is in the button. So change the color as I said before to your preferences. After that we have to make this button appear at the last animation. So select both the thing and we'll select appear and make sure the animations are at the last and select start after the previous. So now we have added all the things and we have to make sure we link the buttons. We'll go to insert action and I'll go to the first page, that is the main page of ours, and we'll select the exit button and we will tell that to end the presentation, that is end show. So after that we need to make a copy to the main page. So click on the button, make a copy and paste it on the main page as well, so it has animation. So no need the animation for the first page, we'll remove that. And after that we'll run the presentation. When we click the button, it starts as a 5-second timer. After the end you can see the main and exit button. When you click the main button, it will go to the first slide, and when you exit it will end the show. That's it guys. If you have any questions regarding this video, please comment below and I will add the downloadable link for this presentation on the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit bell icon to get alerts of my future videos.